A big buy signal last week when we closed above the 360.76 channel top. We had the buy signal. Friday was the big rally and settlement above the 394.77 channel top by a degree. On Monday, we reached our session containment area or came close to it. 425.70 was the high. This is an area that can contain daily buying pressures, and I'm going to say that it already has. We backed away on a Monday afternoon. 415.04 is this extreme channel that actually held early in the day Monday, and then we broke below it in the afternoon. It can contain intraday buying pressures, and below it, 394.77 is actually in reach today. 394.77 can contain selling, not only for the week, but possibly well into October trade. Holding above 394.77 will keep 446.97 in reach as a 2 to 3 week objective. If we do close below 394.77 today, we've got a good high for the week, and we could fall back to 360.76 by Friday's close. So if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader and we close below 394.77, my suggestion is to exit the long position if you're long now, unless you're willing to risk falling back into the low 360s and mid 350s, because I do think that if we close today below 394.77, 360.76 level in combination with this newly formed rising 1/3 speed line would be in reach. Now, this is an area that can contain selling through the rest of the year, and above which the 5 to 8 month objective still remains at 523.03. On the way up, we've got 394.77 as your base of support, able to contain selling through next week, above which 446.97 is now likely over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Here in the midst of present price levels, we've got 415.04. This is a day trade level, can contain intraday highs, and below which 394.77 is in reach today. We can bottom out through next week, and above which 446.97 likely over the next 2 to 3 weeks. If we close today below 394.77, we've got 3 to 5 day sell signal back to the significant 360.76 level where we could bottom out through the rest of the year. Once again, holding above 360.76 maintains this 5-year channel top at 523.03 as a 5 to 8 month target. If we push through or open above 415.04, 426.11 to 26.67 in reach. It can contain daily highs. If we close today above 426.67 and you're not long yet, this would be your next opportunity to go long. Normally, I would call this a 3 to 5 day swing trade, but we could see this tomorrow, Wednesday. 446.97, able to contain buying through October. We can fall from here back into the low 360s again within a full month or two of testing 446.97. We could fall back to channel support, which would be at that point in time in the mid 350s, low 360s, and round up again significantly as we move through the rest of the year and into the first quarter. And if we did close above 453.46 at the end of this week, at the end of any week, that 523.03, 5 to 8 month objective, I think then likely inside of 2 months where we could top out well into 26.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.